SERP Software Solutions. SERP Software Solutions. Since 2009, a company started to offer complete automation services in the academic sector, ensuring a digital growth for the institution and its students, and cover all the statutory products under one roof, both on cloud and license models. Hardware solutions, software solutions, networking solutions, GPS tracking solutions, RFID solutions under one roof with no upfront investment by the institution. SERP vision: to be the most dependable and preferred partner for ERP arena, specifically in the academic sector, and supply chain management solutions. SERP mission: an innovative software to automate an institution in a cost-effective manner is a dream in our Indian villages. We believe our country needs automation process to innovate the education industry so as to build a healthy generation to lead our country to face the global competition. Why? SERP Soft School Management System. SERP Soft comes with all 4 statutory products meant for the academic institutions under one roof with an upfront investment-free solution through cloud. eCampusPRO Management Solutions for schools, colleges, universities. eAttendance-PRO Biometric or RFID-based payroll solutions with HRMS, GPS tracking solutions to track vehicle and employees. Security surveillance solutions for the safety of students. CERP Unique Selling Point, that is USPs. Assured digital growth for the institution and its students. Non-competing products quality, non-competing pricing model, under one roof offering all services on subscription model. Updated software through periodical changes by CBSE. Remote online support, minimizing human dependency. Salient features of our school's software. Centralized software solution to connect all the 4 stakeholders of the institutions: management, students, teachers, parents.
Now, we shall explore the eCampusPRO management solution. eCampusPRO solution is a well-structured ERP software, which is designed to handle all the management process of schools, colleges, and academics under one roof. They consists of master setup of the school, student admission management, student-wise details management, fee management, attendance management, transport management with GPS or RFID, exam management, library management, staff management, leave management, SMS management, and report management. Our sales strategy permits our customer to explore our application on trial basis for a limited period of time. Through this trial version, the customer understands the detailed method of usage of the application. Once customer starts using the application, they enjoy to see their expectations are met, and gets convinced by live interaction with software and requirements. We believe to fulfill our customer requirements first. Before processing the opportunity in our favor, we request you to visit our portal and register for a free trial website: http://portal.serpsoft.in. After registering for a trial version, login credentials will be shared with the customer, with a limited usage period, to explore the application. Now let us log into the trial version of eCampusPRO Management Solutions, with username and password. Now, select your branch. Once logged in, the application takes you to dashboard page, where you will find your favorites, and menu bar, with list of options like master, admissions, student, fee, exam, transport, library, staff, leave, SMS, and reports. This menu bar also includes with the options of setting and log out. Let us take a look into the different features under the options available on the main menu bar. Starting with the master setup option, this option is used to update the general details of the school, like address, contact number, website, etc., holiday details, role details, and other subject specialization details, in each standard like music, drawing, singing, etc. The sub-features are academic year, master setup, bulk uploads, identity card, and permissions. Admission option. This option is used to update the details of the application forms, whether they are approved, rejected, cancelled, or processed. Student option. This option is used to update the details of the personal information of the students, such as admission number, class, in which class he is enrolled, transport, whether he is using any kind of transport to shuttle between school, and his residence, parents' information, date of birth, blood group, contact number, his or her parents or guardian contact number, etc. The sub-features are student details, student actions, certificates, and bulk uploads. Fee option. This option is used to update the details of the student's fee structure, whether it is month-wise or term-wise, if any concession is applied, or any other fee is levied on the student. Exam option. In this option, scheduled exam details are updated, like exam timetable, time of the exam, date of the exam, result details, grade details, and report card details of the student, etc. Transport option. In this option, transportation details are updated, like student travels by own vehicle, public transport, or school bus. If through school bus transport, then driver details, route details, transport fee details, SMS intimation details, vehicle details are updated. The sub-features are transport, transport fee, and uploads. Library option. In this option, library details are updated, like library location, stock details, book category, publishers, suppliers, subscribers, blocked or active, unavailable book details, book issued, and return details, etc. The sub-features are master, library, and transactions. Staff option. In this option, staff details are updated, like staff registration number, attendance, type of payroll, department, class allocation, timetable setting, etc. The sub-features are staff and staff student. Leave option. In this option, leave details are updated, like types of leave available, number of days leave taken, from date to date, leave request, and status, approved or rejected leave details, reasons for taking leave, etc. SMS option. In this option, SMS details are updated, like homeworks, sudden holidays, meetings, or events, absent details, late coming details, etc. Reports option. In this option, we can extract report details, like student attendance report, staff attendance reports, fee payment report, exam performance report, transportation fee report, etc. Here ends our information on main menu bar options. Detailed information on our sub-features will be explained in our upcoming videos. Hope you might have enjoyed our walkthrough on eCampusPRO Management Solutions. You are welcome to try and install our application and utilize it to the maximum extent to meet your needs. Thank you for watching this video.